Hello, I'm here working with a pull request that I want to submit in a moment, but I still need to clean things up. So the last commit on the upstream repo is here, and I've been doing all of this on top. And there is a bunch of commits that I need to squash. Some, for example, all these commits here seem to relate to the same problem, and I could probably need to squash them. I'm probably on top here. There is a few that might want to live on them, by themselves. So let's clean these things up. So I can submit a pull request like that, but that won't tell the story of my work very clearly. It's gonna make everyone's life difficult. So let's clean that up. So first, notice that I haven't pushed this branch yet, right? So it's fine to work locally and change the history of my Git repo locally. But you wouldn't do that if you already pushed that branch if you're sharing your work with colleagues, right? So the other thing that I wanted to notice, is that what I want to reset is everything all the way to master. So master now is going to be my convenient reference to reset what I want to reset. So let's do a git rebase first. Sorry, rebase all the way to master. And we are going to do that interactively so that we get this very nice interface. And what we want to do is in this case, just follow the instructions of what you want to do based on here. If you want to edit a commit, if you want to squash it, if you want to fix up. So for example, if this commit here at the bottom, maybe this one I want to reward. So if I do that and I close this file, so now I'm given the opportunity to rewrite this, something like that could do. So this commit is now cleaner. Let me show you what it looks like. It's the one that was is here at the top. And the same I could do for the rest of the commits. So let's clean the history up a little bit more. Particularly, I want to squash all these commits here. This one, and this one. Let's squash this here, and then I can just leave. This is the message that I want for all that series of commits, and then the rest is kind of good to go. So now let's see what the history looks like. You see how things are starting to look a little cleaner now, and I could go on and on until the history of my commits tells the story that I want to tell. So that is it for now. I will actually continue to work with this PR and clean it further, but that's going to be the topic of a different video. So today we just worked with Git rebase interactive, and I chose in this case to rebase the master branch because all those commits on top of master branch were the ones that I was intending to clean. So this is very handy, and it's one of the patterns that I use almost every day.